Does your Xbox controller feel old? Chances are you have worn out the rubber grippy parts on the analog sticks and it does not feel as snappy and accurate when aiming or playing games. I will show you how replacing them will be as good a feeling as buying a whole new controller at a fraction of the cost. Here are the tools you will need to do the job. For the Xbox One controller with the headphone jack and Bluetooth, you'll need a Torx Security T9 screwdriver with a little hole in the middle so it can fit at the screws, because the screws have a little dimple in the center. You'll need a medium flathead screwdriver to remove the panels at the back of the controller. Lastly, you would need the replacement analog sticks, which cost about $5 on Amazon, and you can get them in various shapes, colors, sizes. So let's start with the process. So you start by removing the batteries and the back cover, then carefully pry the back panel that has screws underneath, like so. Be careful not to pry against the triggers because they are slightly delicate. Just use your thumb and screwdriver together to lift it up gently, as shown. Repeat the steps for the other side. Then peel half of the back sticker under the battery panel and you will see a hidden screw there. It uses the same screw type, the T9. Use the T9 screwdriver to remove all 5 screws from the back. Once you've done that, you can remove the faceplate from the front. Then it will allow you to pull the analog sticks off. Get the new ones out of the packaging and install them. There is a little notch underneath them. They only go like 1 or 2 ways, so just check that and line it up and install them. Put the faceplate back on and put all the screws back. Restick the battery label and install the batteries, and bam, you have a controller that feels like new again, and you'll enjoy playing any of your favorite games such as Rocket League or Call of Duty if you're on console. Anyway guys, smash that like button if this video helped you. Consider subscribing and dinging the notification bell if you like content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.